In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send message on Asana server. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a clear team-wide message so everyone stays aligned and informed. First, open your team in Asana. Look over to the left sidebar where your teams are listed. You'll see team names like marketing or operations, along with any others you belong to. Click the team you want to message. This makes sure your note goes to the right audience. If your sidebar feels crowded, you can use the search bar at the top of Asana to type the team name and jump straight there. And if you don't immediately see the team you need, make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization. Once you're inside the team, head to the top of the page and select Messages. This is the centralized place for team announcements and discussions. Then click New Message. Think of this as starting a new thread where everyone on the team can read and reply. Now it's time to compose your message. Start with a clear, specific title or subject so teammates instantly understand what the message is about. For example, use a subject like Q4 launch timeline or office move update rather than something vague. In the message body, explain the context, what's changing or needed, and any deadlines. Keep it concise but thorough, and end with a simple call to action so people know what to do next. If you have supporting documents, attach them to the message. You can add files like PDFs, images, or spreadsheets. Attaching files keeps everything in one place and makes it easy for your team to find the latest version. Rename files clearly before uploading so people know exactly what they're opening. Tag the right people using the @mention feature. Type the symbol and start typing a person's name to pull them into the conversation. You can also mention relevant tasks or projects to provide quick context without copying and pasting links. @mentions help ensure the right folks are notified and can respond quickly. When everything looks good, click Send Message. The whole team will receive it based on their notification settings, and your message will live in the team's messages area for easy reference. If you need to follow up, simply reply in the same thread so the conversation stays organized and searchable. That's it. Open the team from the left sidebar, go to Messages, click New Message, add a clear subject and thoughtful content, attach any files you need, tag the right people, and send. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging in Asana.